In this video, we're talking about the first type of multiplication of vectors. Now, it's important to understand that there are two different types of multiplications with vectors. The first multiplication of vectors provides you with a single scalar numerical value at the end. Your other multiplication of two vectors will provide you with a vector in the end. Now, we're not going to talk about overall the concepts and the fully grasped understanding of this. For this one, we're just going to talk about the dot product, or the product that provides you with a scalar in the conclusion, while there's another, again, multiplication called a cross product, which provides you with a vector in the end. When we multiply using the dot product, again, I'm going to just talk about the mathematics here, not the overall concept and understanding of what the multiplication of these two vectors provide you with. So if I were to multiply these two vectors together using the dot product, I'm going to have 6 comma negative 2 multiplied with the negative 3 comma 4 using the dot product. Now, it is important that we use a dot here and not an x, because there is something else called the cross product, which again uses different notation and concludes differently. When I want to multiply these two vectors together using the dot product, it's important to notice that if I have a as my x-coordinate of my first vector and c as my x-coordinate of my second vector, then my dot product is going to end up with those two things multiplied together, so 6 times the negative 3, and we're going to add to that b times d. So these two values here, so it's going to be the negative 2 times the positive 4. So I'm just simply going to go ahead and simplify this down. And again, I'm supposed to end up in the dot product providing me with a scalar value, or a single numerical answer. So I've got negative 18 minus 8 giving me a total of a negative 26 as my final result. And again, that's just simply the dot product. It's a value that we're going to end up with. Again, it has more conceptual understanding and connotations, but we're not going to focus on that in this video.